apples for free.
They was talking woo, this woo out the band. City so damn great, I feel like Alexander. Wear your halo like a hat, that's like the latest fashion. I got angels all around me, they keep me surrounded.
Who is you and who the fuck is you and who is them? All of a sudden, who after them? You can't touch me, nah, 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 nah. I got angels. I got angels. I ain't changed my number since the 7th grade. This from my day one, 10 years, 7 days. A week, niggas never tired.
So, my clothes from Pretty Little Things finally came. They took forever. It took my clothes 2 weeks to come in the mail. I ordered before Black Friday, and it still took 2 weeks to arrive to me. Today, or last night, I DM'd them on Instagram, and I was like, so why did I pay for shipping if it's taking 2 weeks? So they refunded me, or they're going to refund me my shipping fee that they charged me. But it came today. Here's a little bag. I can't lie, this is a little cute bag. So let's just open this and see what is up, because I've seen so many mixed reviews. I'm gonna try this stuff on for you guys. I fuck with this sweater. I mess with this sweater, bro. Oh no, bro. I like this just because it cinches in like this. I can walk outside like, hey, what it do? What's up? But no, okay. So this is the sweater. I like it. This is the sweatshirt. So let me show y'all the neck sweatshirt, or the crew neck sweater that I got. This is the next top. So it's just a little crew neck shirt. I wanted to get the sweatpants because this was, I think, a 2-piece like jogging suit set or whatever. But I think the pants were either sold out, or I didn't want to get them because the model that was modeling the sweatpants was flooding, and she was shorter than me, and she was still flooding, and I was taller than her, and I'm like, so if you're flooding and you're short, I'm definitely going to be flooding because I'm tall. So I just didn't get them, but it would have been a cute little 2-piece set. But yeah, I think it's still cute. I'm wearing it with my little, I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm wearing it with my like Adidas pants. So, you know, it's a look, it's a look. It's a look, it's a look. But yeah, I think it's cute. I swear, y'all, I look like a ninja, but this is cute. It's cute though. I got the PLT for Pretty Little Things. Pretty Little Things. Okay, I'm tweaking right now, for real. I don't know why I'm tweaking so hard. But yeah, I ordered, all of my tops are in a size 2 or a small. And I was gonna order my tops in a size 4. But thank God that I did not get a size 4 because that would have been too big. So this was perfect. And it's like a nice stretchy material. You know, what's the word? Insinuates my little curves, the curves that I don't have, okay? And insinuates the curves that I don't have. But that's all right. I could really serve a look with this. Oh, especially with this ponytail, baby. Let me beat my face real quick, swoop my edges, wear this. It's over. Get on my face before I slap the dog piss out of you. So, I don't really know how I feel about this top. What is this? I feel like this is just not cute. Like, what is going on right now? But first of all, this is not even really a crop top. This is like a bra. It stops so far up. Like, I feel like it should at least come to like right here. Maybe it wouldn't look so weird if it came down here, but it's literally like all the way up here. This looks like a sports bra. And then it's like the way that they have it cut, it just looks very awkward to me. Like, this looks weird, doesn't it? It's like, girl, where's the rest of your fucking shirt? It's not. I just don't know how to feel about this. Like, leave in the comments below if you think that is cute or if you think that is ugly, because I'm confused. I really don't know. I feel like I could possibly serve a look if this was maybe a little bit bigger and it came down a little bit more. I mean, it's showing off the tattoo, it's showing off the belly button, it's showing off, you know, a little bit of everything that I wanted to, but It's just awkward looking to me. But this is giving me like some Aaliyah vibes. Like I'm about to bust out and start singing or something. But who knows? Maybe I'll find a way to style it and wear it how I want it to. But so this is the last top that I got. And it says Chicago on it. Because guess what? I'm from Chicago, if you guys didn't know. I was going to get it in red. But I was like, you know what? No, this is go with like everything. And you know, I'm not a gangbanger, so I was like, let's not do red, let's just be simple, do black. And it's still cute, it fits really nicely, the material is nice. Now I need to go because I'm starving, and I have these fries are nasty. There's no salt on them and they're getting cold. Okay, look, I gotta go eat. And after I eat, I have a shitload, or I have a buttload of homework that I need to do. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Snapchat. And I will see y'all later. Bye.